Don't paint the cat. Nyla loved to paint. She painted on the swings. She painted at school. She painted while reading. She even painted while brushing her teeth. Nyla, can you wait just 5 minutes before you start painting again? Asked her mother. You've made a rainbow bathtub again. Even her teachers commented, Nyla, please focus on your math test now. Nyla, you can't peer away and paint, dear. One day it was raining. Nyla couldn't go outside. That's okay, I'll paint inside, she said. So she painted. And she painted. And she painted. And she painted some more. By the time it was lunchtime, she had used up all the paper in the house. What else can I paint on? She wondered. Nyla, yelled her mother, don't paint the cat. Go do something else. No painting. But first, bathe Wally. Nyla bathed Wally. Wally discovered he'd rather be painted than bathed. Nyla wasn't sure what else she should do. She tried hopscotch. She built a city. She played with her dolls. She did cartwheels. She braided her hair. She skateboarded. She baked some cookies. It was all fun, but something was missing. Over the next few days, Nyla did her best to fill her time with anything but painting. Nyla, I know you've been really sad because you haven't been able to paint, said her mother. I'm sorry I said no more painting. I know it makes you really happy. How about this? Let's create some painting rules. Nyla and her mother got out some new paper and made some painting rules. 1. We paint on paper. 2. We paint sitting at the table or standing at the easel. 3. We don't paint the cat. When they were done, her mother asked, What do you think of those? Nyla looked at the rules. I think they're good, she said, smiling. From that day forward, Nyla was allowed to paint every day and almost everywhere.